planting is better. Look at this poor tomato plant. Less heat. It's not as hot. Oh God, something just bit me. So hot. And less stress on your plants. Less hot, less heat equals less stress. Reason number 2, fall planting is better. Less weed pressure. Like, do you know how often I'm weeding my beds right now? A lot. Every 3 days I come out here and there's gigantic weeds all over again. Look at this grass. Why? Reason number 2, fall planting is better. Less weed pressure. Reason number 3, it's better to plant in the fall, is because pests die off, or they go into hibernation, they slow reproduction, the shorter days limit their activity, and they have plants that are grown in the fall, like brassicas, have a tighter leaf structure, and therefore are hardier and less attractive to summer pests. Reason number 4, why fall gardening is quite possibly the best time to garden. Number 4, I almost forgot what it was. Sweeter flavor in your green. Listen, have you ever grew lettuce in the summertime, broccoli in the summertime, kale in the summertime, and you pull it up after it looks beautiful and it tastes like trash? I'll tell you why. It's because it's really bitter right now. Because, silly me, planted vegetables. I mean, not vegetables, just broccoli. And then it got scorching hot outside. Okay, but look how big it is. I mean, it's doing kind of this weird, like, leaf thing where they're smaller at the top. I don't know, it's strange. Anyway, reason number 4 why fall vegetable gardening is the best time, and that's simply because you have sweeter flavor in your greens. Not just your greens, your kale, your carrots, your beets, your lettuce, arugula, turnips after a light frost. So a lot of the times, I thought there was a bug on my hand. A lot of the times, these colder weather plants can tolerate a light frost, but they cannot tolerate down to like 28 degrees. But they taste sweeter simply because the starches in the plant convert to sugar when they get cooler. The sugar helps them lower their freeze point, which makes them able to tolerate the cooler temperatures, and it protects them from cold damage by keeping the cells from rupturing. It is so bright and so hot. Like, this is why fall is the best time, because it's 1,000 degrees. I'm in a swimsuit, so I hope that's okay, Austin. But anyways, reason number 4, your greens taste sweeter, your carrots taste sweeter, your beets taste sweeter, all of that good stuff. Sweeter. Reason number 5, while growing in the fall is quite possibly the best. Now, I've started these in a seed start, but you have better germination in your seedlings, in your seeds, just because the soil is still warm. So like these, I started in a seed start container, so they're going to germinate. But my beets that I recently got from Southern Exposure Seed Exchange, my carrots that I recently got from Southern Exposure Seed Exchange, my winter luxury pie, and cauliflower that I got. These root vegetables, not so much the pumpkin, but these root vegetables will germinate quicker, and because the soil's still warm. This is a quick growing crop, so, you know, it'll emerge in 5 to 10 days, but it will emerge, quicker because the soil is still warm for it. So reason number 5, better germination. And also, side note, look how freaking cute these packages are. How adorable. Look at this one. This one's cauliflower. I love them. You see? I feel like one of those people that does their makeup. How cute are they?